Welcome to Tech Brothers Damir. In this video, we are going to learn about take function. The take function in PySpark is used to retrieve the first n rows from our data frame and return them as a list of row objects. So these are the key points. It returns the first n rows. It returns a Python list containing row objects. If n is greater than the number of rows in the data frame, it returns all rows. Commonly used for the data preview and debugging. So okay, great, let's take a look here. Now we have this sample data, and I have 4 records here, and these column of those this data is age and name, so you can see right there. And then we are creating a data frame called df by using create a data frame function. We are providing the data that we have defined it above, and then we are using this column variable. Now our data frame will be created, and it will have 2 columns, name and age, and then we are going to apply take function on top of that. Let's execute and take a look on the data first. Okay, here is our data. You can see we have name and age, and this has 4 records. Now if we would like to retrieve only top 2 records, how you can do that? You will say first 2 records, and then you have a data frame, and then say .2, and it's gonna get us 2 rows. Now what we'll be doing, as it returns us the row object, we have to loop through that to see the rows. So here I'm looping through, so saying 4 row in our this row object, and then we are printing that row. So let's go ahead and execute that part, and then we should be seeing 2 row. So you can see right there, row, first row is this one and second row is this one. So we have 2 rows. But here if we are experimenting with the number of rows more than what data frame has, our data frame has only 4 records, and here I'm saying 10. So what's going to happen is going to take all of them, and we are putting into the row object more rows, and using the data frame dot take and providing a number total 10 for the rows, and then we are printing them by looping. So let's go ahead and execute this script and take a look. So here you go, and it is returning you all the rows, and then we can see that it is printing row by row. So here is a summary. So take is a quick way to fetch the top n rows from a data frame. Second, return a list of row objects that you can loop through in the Python. Helpful for small data previews, testing and debugging. So these are different benefits we can achieve from by using take function. I thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.